Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. This is my taxi driver, my best friend today because he's brought me back to the airport. I'm just about to fly to Malaysia. Now my flight tomorrow got cancelled in Malaysia to Lahore, so I have to wait an extra day. So I'm in Lahore for 34 hours. I'm in Kuala Lumpur for 32 hours, 34 hours. So I booked into the summer. You'll remember that from a video a while ago. I'm looking forward to that beautiful hotel, guys. I'm going to get in the airport and get booked in. Thank you, Omar. So I got here at 10:30. Be plenty of time because my flight's at 1:30. It's been delayed till 3:30. But luckily I met Josh here. His plane's been delayed till 7 in the morning, so I've got nothing to complain about. But we're sitting here having a chat. So yeah, 3:30 I'll be on the flight, but that's a good thing because then I'll be able to book straight into my hotel in KL instead of having to wait a couple of hours. Well, we're in KL. Just waiting on my bags, then we head to the hotel. Summer. I stayed there before in another video. I got an email yesterday, the day before yesterday, saying that I was off that flight and I'm on a flight tomorrow afternoon. So I've got, instead of having 11 or 10 hours in KL, I've got 34 hours. And it said in the email that overnight accommodation is your responsibility. So I booked a hotel, and then I get to the airport and I find out that they would have paid for me for a hotel. And the summer's not cheap, especially booking this late. But I'm happy. I can go and have an amazing rest. Beautiful hotel. I'll show you guys again, but if you remember it from last time I was transiting here, amazing hotel. And guys, when you're talking, it's like $100 taxi fare into KL. So when you budget that into the price of this hotel, it's really not that expensive after all. Here's my bag here. It looks not my usual sort of bag, but I've got a whole lot of, like the new radiator for Libby and things in here, and it wouldn't fit just in my saddlebag. So I got this old suitcase out of our shed. We've got heaps in the shed, and I'll throw this away in Lahore, give it to someone, give it to the hotel for emergencies or something. But either way, this bag's done a lot. That was my mum's taken that all around the world. My sister's took it all around the world. This is her last journey with the Morrisons. Guys, I've even got the same girl taking me to the hotel. She drives the little buggy backwards and forwards. I think she told me last time, I can't remember how many, but you've been here many years driving this buggy, is that right?
Yeah.
How long?
14 years.
14 years. I did actually remember 14 years, but I thought I couldn't be right. But yeah, guys, so they just, like I said, the hotel's not the cheapest in the world, but when you budget in the taxi fare into town that you would have paid, and just the convenience of this, and the food, guys, the food is absolutely amazing, and everyone's just as friendly as...
Yeah, thank
you. Beautiful bathroom. The water's not super hot, but it's hot. Kind of Asian sort of hot. I've been home in Perth, so I'm kind of used to having scalding hot water. This is the room, a mess as usual, but you guys know me by now. This is why I had that briefcase, the suitcase, because that's filled up with Libby's new radiator. So yeah, I didn't have room for any of my stuff. So yeah, this suitcase will end up in the bin. Like I said, it's been all around the world with my mum, with my sisters. And now I'm going to throw it in the bin. But oh well, it's all right. I'll give it to the hotel if someone has an emergency, a broken suitcase or something, they can have it. But these are the girls that are looking after me on my floor, the beautiful lounge that's just for our floor. And I'll go downstairs and show you a bit more. And guys, this is the amazing summer hotel. Just incredible. Now I'm going to go and show you the breakfast. But I have to be a bit discreet because people are eating, and this is 5-star, this place. Guys, here's all the Western style breakfast. And again, it's not real bacon, not real ham, because it is a Muslim country. But look at this, just delicious, guys. And this is the thing, and I don't want to show people too much, but as we get around the corner, they've got they had all sushi and stuff here last night for dinner, so I'm guessing this is a Japanese style section. guys, I've eaten so much food already, and I'll probably sit down and eat some more once I've done this. But yeah, here you've got, these guys will do you all bread, toast it for you, and there's all sorts of peanut butters and things there, some Asian delights. Here's the soup section. I've had laksa here, I've had Chinese chicken soup. Hello, my friends. And just amazing. And here is the Asian section and the Indian section. Oh guys, this roti, Indian food in Malaysia, and sorry to my Indian subscribers, but Indian food in Malaysia is better than in India, I think. I had this roti and this delicious beef curry for breakfast. Just incredible, guys. Well, I think it's beef. I'm not sure. If it was in India, it wouldn't be beef, it would be mutton. And these are my favourites. This is my go-to breakfast in India, and here's just incredible. And here, this is the dessert section. There's about 20 different types of ice cream here. If I wanted ice cream now, I could ask these guys, even though they don't advertise it to people for breakfast. And this is kind of very downstairs. Got the spa, a gym, got the swimming pool, but I'm not sure where the pool is. I'll go and ask someone and show you. And this is the swimming pool. They've got a bar here so you can come and enjoy. That's the airport road right there, so you can see how close we are to the airport. Amazing, guys. I really like it here. And the first time I've got a different driver. I've had the same girl every time I've been here, but that's okay.
Yeah.
And now we're heading back to the airport, so I can jump on my plane. It's about maybe 2.5 hours till we go, so I've got plenty of time. And another airport queue. I do this a lot, and I don't consider flying as part of my travelling, so the people that fly all the time, it'd drive me a little mad. But I suppose what I'd do would drive a lot of people mad as well. But plenty of time. It's about maybe 3:30, not even. And I don't fly till 5:30, so plenty of time. And we made it, guys. Back at the Best Western Premier. You'll remember that from the last video. Oh, I'm a bit exhausted. I'm hungry though. For me, it's only, what, 9 o'clock here. I think 9 o'clock, maybe 9:30. But for me, it's midnight or 12:30. So I'm exhausted, but I'm hungry. So I'm going to have some barbecue chicken. And then I'm going to bed. Oh, it's good to be back though, guys. Look at this. Amazing. Tomorrow Libby's getting her new radiator put in. And Monday I've got a big meeting, but I'll tell you about that later. I don't want to jinx myself just yet, but if you remember in cable Mount Everest video, I talked about my tuk-tuk idea. Well, I don't want to jinx myself. We'll talk about this later. Well, here she is, guys, safe and sound. A few people have asked me, how do I feel leaving the bike here? Well, if you remember after the Sri Lanka videos, when I returned to India, I was a bit worried if she'd even be there. But here I had no worries at all. Pakistani people, it was their duty to make sure she was left here perfectly. And I had no worries at all that she'd be here safe and sound when I got back. She needs a bit of a clean, but that's all right. I'm just going to re-hook up the battery because I disconnected that. I didn't want a flat battery when I got back. And then later on today, she gets a new radiator. So she'll be happy. She's been leaking a bit, as you saw in all the videos since New Delhi, pretty much. So we did quite a few miles with a bad radiator. All done. Well, I made it at last. This is Zafar, my mechanic. It should have taken me 25 minutes to get here, guys. It took me nearly 2 hours because the army kept stopping me, and there's a whole section here where foreigners aren't allowed. 3 times I got stopped, so it took me 2 hours to get here, but I'm here now. They're going to fix the bike. They're going to ride it back to my hotel, so I don't have to worry about those checkpoints again. I'll just get a taxi home now. But yeah, this is the shop. I'll show you outside actually. So, and this is the shop outside, guys. I'll put a link in the description. But if you remember a few videos ago, a guy from Pakistan Bikers Club, a big club here, pulled me over on the road, and he was the one that, this is the mechanic that they all use. And if you look here, it's not just little bikes. We've got a Tenere here, we've got a BMW. Oh wow. Harley here, wow. And one of the guys that works here, that's his Hayabusa, another BMW. So yeah, there's pretty classy bikes. Well guys, this is Zafar again. He's done an amazing job on the bike. I'll put his WhatsApp in the description down below, and I'll also put a Google Maps pin to his shop.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you. You
Just
are
amazing.
good guy.
So guys, these are the people that looked after my bike so very well when I was away. I'd like to say shukriya, my friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sorry guys, I've got to put this back on. A bit bright today. I'm going to go and have a haircut. And I know it was for you guys, it was only 3 days ago I had a haircut, but for me it's a month. I was home for 3 weeks. So it's been nearly a month since we were here last time, but that's where we're going, just over here. Yeah, like I said guys, it was only 3 days ago for you, but nearly a month ago for me, as you can see from here. Here I shaved for Janet's birthday, so that's not as bad. Here we doing my haircut today, it's a bit different. Well, all neat and tidy again guys. This will do me for another few weeks. I've got plenty of footage to make a video. In fact, this video is due in about 2 hours, so I've got to go and do some quick editing. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up. Share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.